Hello guys, welcome to SkillMiner aptitude course. Now we are going to see the topic averages. This is considered to be the easiest topic in quantitative section. Now we can move to the topic. Guys, before proceeding to the problem, please note down these formula in your notebook. We are not going to use every formula mentioned here. Maybe some of the formulas we will use in coming problems. Okay. Now I'm moving to the problem. Find the average of first 1000 natural numbers. We need to find the average of first 1000 natural number. We know that natural number starts with 1. Okay, please remember guys, natural number start with 1, whole number start with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it will keep on going. Whole number will start from 0. Now we need to find the average of first 1000 natural numbers. See the formula guys. Come to second formula. Average of first n natural number is n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Average of first n natural numbers will be n plus 1 divided by 2. So average of first n natural numbers is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. So average of first 1000 natural numbers would be 1000 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 1001 divided by 2. So our answer will be 500.5. Okay, this will be our answer. The average of first 1000 natural numbers will be 1000 plus 1 divided by 2, which will gives you the value 500.5. Now going to second question. Find the average of square of first 16 natural numbers. We need to find the average of square of first 16 natural numbers, that is square of first 16 natural numbers will be 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, like that it will go on increasing until 16th value. Okay, now go to the formula. Come to fourth formula. Fourth formula is given that average of square of first n natural number, that is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, formula will be n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So average of square of first 16 natural numbers will be n plus 1 will be 16 plus 1, 2n plus 1 will be 2 into 16 plus 1 divided by 6. 16 plus 1 will be 17 into 16 2s are 32. 32 plus 1 divided by 6. 17 into 33 divided by 6. In third table, 33 will come 11 times, 6 will come 2 times. So we need to solve this. 17 into 11, 187 is equal to 187 divided by 2. 9 twos are 18, 3 twos are 6, balance 1, 5 twos are 10. So our answer will be 93.5. Okay. The average of square of first 16 natural numbers will be 93.5. Find the average of all two-digit numbers that are divisible by 7. We need to find the average of all two-digit numbers that are divisible by 7. We can write the seventh table. 1 7 is 7, 2 sevens are 14, 3 sevens are 21, 4 sevens are 28, 5 sevens are 35, 6 sevens are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 8 sevens are 56, 9 sevens are 63, 10 sevens are 70, 11 sevens are 77, 12 sevens are 84, 13 sevens are 91, 14 sevens are 98, 15 sevens are more than 100. That is 105. Okay. See here guys. We need to find average of all two-digit number that are divisible by 7. So the starting number will be 14. The ending number will be 98. You check the number count guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So totally there are 13 two-digit numbers that are divisible by 7. This 13 can also be obtained by the formula n is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. Okay, I hope these formula you have learned in your school days while you are in 9th or 10th grade. The last number will be 98 minus A represents the first number, that is 14, divided by difference is 7 plus 1, which is equal to 84 divided by 7 plus 1, 12 plus 1, which is equal to 13. Okay, we have found n value as 13. We know that average will be sum of first value, that is 14, and last value, that is 98, divided by 2. Okay, which will gives you the value 112 divided by 2, which is 56. So the required answer is 56. Guys, what I have did in question, it's asking to find the average of all two-digit numbers that are divisible by 7. So for that, you write the table, seventh table. In that, you pick the first two-digit number and last two-digit number. Okay. Now count manually, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You will get the answer 13 if you count manually. Now apply this formula and find the count. This also 13. Okay. If manual counting and formula counting matches each other, manual count is equal to formula count, then average will be L plus A divided by 2. Our L value is 98, A value is 14 divided by 2, which will give me the value 56. Okay, note down this formula, guys. The average of 5 consecutive even numbers is 20, which is the largest number among them. It is given that the average of 5 consecutive means it is coming next to next. Let first even number be E. Okay, so that 5 consecutive number will be E, comma E plus 2, comma E plus 4, comma E plus 6, comma E plus 8. Since it is a even number, I am adding 2 for every numbers. Okay, the average of 5 consecutive even numbers is 20. So average value will be last one plus first one divided by 2. Here L is equal to E plus 8. A is equal to E. Final value is E plus 8. First value is E. So average will be E plus 8 plus E divided by 2 is equal to 2E plus 8 divided by 2. I am taking 2 commonly outside. E plus 4 divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled. So the average will be E plus 4. Okay, E plus 4 is the middle value. That will be the average. In question it's given that average is 20, which implies E plus 4 is equal to 20. So E will be 20 minus 4, which is equal to 16. So now I found that the value of E is 16. So I'm going to, the series will be 16, comma 18, comma 20, comma 22, comma 24. In question they are asking to find the largest number among them. The largest number among the series is 24. So largest number is 24. 24 is the answer. Okay. If the average of 810, 930, 990 and X is 870, find X. Okay, questions given that there are 4 numbers 810, 930, 990 and X. The average of these 4 numbers is giving the value 870. Now we need to find the value of X. Okay, I'm cross multiplying. 810 plus 930 plus 990 plus X is equal to 870 into 4. This 870 into 4 give me the value 3480. Okay, and then the addition of 810, 930, 990 will gives me 2730. Okay, so x will be 3480 minus 2730. 3480 minus 2730, which will gives me the value 750. Okay, so our x value is 750. The average of 5, 10 and 15 is 10. Okay, if each value is increased by 3, then find the new average, which means 5 plus 10 plus 15 divided by 3 will gives me the average as 10. If each value is increasing by 3, which means 5 plus 3, 10 plus 3, 15 plus 3, that is 8 comma 13 comma 18, I need to find the new average. New average will be 8 plus 13 plus 18 divided by 3. Okay, which will again give me the value, which will give me the value 13, that is middle number. Okay, so 13 will be my answer. So the point you need to note here is, if each value is increased by some number, let it be 3, the average will be increased by 3. If each value is decreased by 3, average will be decreased by 3. If each value is multiplied by 3, average will be multiplied by 3. Each value is divided by 3, average will be divided by 3. This is the thumb rule you have to follow up. Okay, initially we had the average as 10, then each value is increased by 3, so new average will be 10 plus 3, which is equal to 13. Now we can move to next question. The average of 50 numbers is 38. There are 50 numbers. Average will be 38. Okay, this is given in the question. If two numbers 45 and 55 are discarded, which means that from this 50 numbers 45 and 55 are removed. Okay, which means now there are only 48 numbers. From these 50 numbers, the number 45 and 55 are removed. So after removing two numbers, there will be 48 numbers. Now we need to find the new average. For this, follow the step, guys. First step is to find the sum will be n into average, which is equal to n is 50 into average is 38, which is going to give me the value 1900. This is my sum. Okay. Second point is sum new, which is my old sum minus the removed numbers. 45 is removed, 55 is removed. Okay, so my new sum will be 1800. Now the third point is I need to find new average, no? So new average is equal to new sum divided by 48, which is equal to 1800 divided by 48, which will give me the new average value as 37.5. This will be the answer. Okay, once again I'm explaining. There are totally 50 numbers, their average is 38. In those 50 numbers, number 45 and 55 are removed. After removing this, we need to find the new average. So after removing these two numbers, the numbers will be reduced to 48. Total numbers will reduce to 48. Okay, so from this we need to solve the problem step by step. First step, we need to find sum will be n into average. N is 50, average is 38. Initially it will gives me 1900. Second point, I am finding the new sum. New sum will be old sum minus removing numbers, that is 45 and 55. It is giving me the value 1800. This is the new sum. Third step, new average, which is new sum divided by 48, this is giving me 37.5. Okay, now I'm moving to next question. The average of 25 test result is 18. Average of 25, which means n is equal to 25, its average is 18. In that, average of first 12 of them, average of first 12 of them will be 14, and average of last 12 of them will be 18. So totally there are 25 numbers. It is given that first average of first 12 numbers, so from 25 12 is getting reduced, which means remaining there are 13 numbers, and the average of last 12 also given, so remaining there will be one number in between. Okay, we need to find the 13th result. Here the formula is total sum is equal to sum of first 12 plus 13th number plus sum of last 12, because there are totally 25 numbers. 12 plus 1 plus 12, this will gives you the count 25. We know that sum will be n into average. We know that average is equal to sum divided by n. So sum is equal to n into average. Since this is only one number, we can't able to find the average or sum on this. So it is directly written as 13th number. Okay. The average of first 12 number is given as 14. The average of 25 results is given as 18. First 12 number is given as 14. 13th number we have to find. The average of last 12 number is given as 18. Okay. Now we are solving this. 25 into 18 will give me the value 450. 13th number, on solving these two, I will get the value 384. So 13th number will be 450 minus 384. It will gives me the answer 66. 66 is my answer. The average of 60 boys in a colony is 12. The average of 60 boys in a colony is 12. The average age of first 21 boys is 10. The average age of first 21 boys is 10. The average of next 25 boys is 12. Okay. What is the average of remaining boys? So first we need to find remaining number of boys. Totally 60 boys. In that, average of first 21 boys is given. So I am reducing 21 from 60. It will gives me the value 39. The average of next to 25 boys is given. So I am reducing this. It will give me the value 14. So the average of next to 14 boys we need to find. Okay. This concept is similar to previous model. 60 into 12 will give me the value 720. 210 plus 300 plus 14 into average. Fourteen into average is equal to 720 minus 510, which gives me the value 210. So average will be 210 by 14. In seventh table, 210 will come 30 times, 14 will come 2 times. So average of remaining boys, that is last 14 boys, will be 15. 15 is my answer. 15 years. That is my answer. Okay. The average of weight of group of 50 girls were calculated to be 40 kg. There are 50 girls. Average is calculated as 40 kg. Okay. It was later found that weight of one of the girls was read as 30 kg when her actual weight was 60 kg. Real weight of girl is 60 kg, but wrongly wrongly it's inserted as 30 kg. So there should be 30 kg increment to find right answer. Okay, there are totally 50 number of girls. The average weight will be 40 kg, but one of the girl weight is entered as 30 kg, but her real weight is 60 kg. So now we have to find the actual average value. Now we can go for sum initial, which is equal to n into average, 50 into 40, which will give me the value 2000. Sum final will be this 2000 minus the wrong reading, that is 30, plus new reading, that is 60, which will gives me the value 2030. Okay, so new average will be, final average will be final sum divided by n will be same, there are 50 girls only, but the new sum is changed to 2030. So our answer will be 40.6. 40.6 is the required average. Okay, 5 years ago the average of husband and wife was 25 years. Let the husband be H be husband, W be wife. Okay, 5 years ago, which means 5 years ago the average of husband and wife age is 25. From this I am forming one equation, h minus 5 plus w minus 5, which is equal to 25 into 5, 25 into 2, which is equal to 50. So h plus w minus 10 is equal to 50, h plus w is equal to 60. This is my first equation. Okay, because 5 years ago, that means h minus 5 and w minus 5, the average of husband and wife will be 25 years. From this I am framing the equation h plus w is equal to 60. Today the average age, now today the average age of husband, wife and child, there are three people, their average will be 21 years. From this I am forming another equation, h plus w plus c is equal to 21 into 3. 21 into 3 will give me 63. So h plus w plus c is equal to 63. This is the second equation. Okay, we know that h plus w will be 60. I am getting from equation 1. So 60 plus c is equal to 63, which means c is equal to 63 minus 60, which is equal to 3 years. So how old is the child? That is the question. So child age is 3 years. Okay, the age of child is 3 years. We found the answer. Thank you, guys.